Hello, this is crank heater used in compressor, especially in HVAC, to warm up the inside oil of the compressor before the compressor start. So when there is the oil is cooled and we need to heat up the oil, this crank heater is used. This is always or sometimes fixed in the bottom of the compressor, and when the compressor start, the crank heater is stopped. So the main purpose of this crank heater to warm up the inside oil of the compressor before the compressor start. Thank you very much.